is a meeting that has assumed significance in the backdrop of Abu Jindal's arrest. The Foreign Secretary level talks between India and Pakistan in the capital today are being followed with great deal of interest. Now, even as Pakistan resorts to its old tricks of sidestepping the terror issue and raising the K bogey, India is thinking of sending a tough message, asking Pakistan to do more on terror.
We do expect greater cooperation from Pakistan.
A strong message from India, setting the tone for the Indo-Pak Foreign Secretary level talks to be held later today. India making it very clear to Pakistan that there is no escaping the issue of terror. Especially the fact that 2611 mastermind Hafiz Saeed still roams free.
Home Ministry has provided dossiers which contain, according to our legal assessment, enough material to prosecute Hafiz Saeed.
By meeting the Valley's separatists on Indian soil, Pakistan made its agenda very clear by raising the Kashmir bogey.
We are hopeful that while the foreign secretaries are meeting, they will try to set a process in motion where we feel that foreign ministers and prime ministers can take the process forward.
But Pakistan has no answers for Abu Jindal's revelations.
We have seen press reports about Abu Jindal. We have requested the Indian government to share us with evidence, and we will extend every possible cooperation in this regard.
At the Foreign Secretaries meet today, it will be Pakistan's agenda on Kashmir versus India's objective to counter terror.
They've been able to shift the agenda from Abu Jindal to Hurriyat. Now you're spending all your time talking of meeting with the Hurriyat rather than about Abu Jindal, which should really be the focal point.
As India gets ready to throw the Jindal punch at Pakistan, will Pak for once put fighting home terror ahead of its K bogey? Bureau Report, Times Now.
And Times Now, Srinjoy Chaudhary now joins me on the phone line. Srinjoy, this round of talks from India's side, at least likely to be dominated really by Abu Jindal. Is India likely to share documents, including the passport that was issued in Pakistan, in perhaps a bid really to nail state actors involved?
Yes, of course. India will certainly pass on all documents, and it's not just only about Abu Jindal. Yes, of course, he will come up, and his revelations and his confessions will play an important role. But it is also about what it leads to. It leads to Hafiz Saeed, it leads to the 2611 attack, and how the control room during the 2611 attack looked like. All these issues will most certainly come up during the talks.
Right, also Srinjoy, now apart from terror, of course, are India and Pakistan likely to discuss CBMs pertaining to fields like the nuclear field as well as the Kashmir issue?
Yes, Kashmir will certainly come up. The Pakistanis have also said very clearly that yes, it is important to speak with the Hurriyat leaders because Kashmir is one of the issues on the agenda. As far as peace and security is concerned, but terrorism is part of it, there are other issues that the Pakistanis could bring up, and India is expecting them to bring up, like move troops out of Kashmir from the inside, and also not have certain weapons, heavy weapons along the line of control. These are things that could also come up during the talks.